Former India skipper Mahendra Singh Dhoni is known to love a game of football in the warm-ups. He is also a co-owner of an Indian Super League club, Chennaiyin Football Club, and has taken part in charity football matches over the years. Dhoni, ace photographer Rohan Shrestha, choreographer Zaid Darbar, actor Karanveer Mehra, and other celebrities on Sunday were seen participating in charity football match in Mumbai's Jamnabai Narsi ground. The celebrities were dressed in green and orange jersey. Play for Humanity line were written on their jerseys. Bollywood actress Alia Bhatt set the internet on fire on Sunday morning with beautiful photographs of herself in a bikini posing on a beach here in the Maldives. The actress is currently vacationing in the Maldives with her sister Shaheen Bhatt, close friend and actress Akansha Ranjan Kapoor, and her sister Anushka Ranjan Kapoor. Sharing her sun-kissed photo from the beach, where she flaunts a colorful bikini and sunglasses, Alia wrote on Instagram, "Blue seas and a Pisces." Commenting on Alia's post, mother Soni Razdan wrote, "Hello little fishy." On the work front, Alia's upcoming projects include Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Gangubai Kathiawadi, a film reportedly revolving around the life of a brothel owner and matriarch. She is also a part of S.S. Rajamouli, RRR, and Ayan Mukherjee's Brahmastra, where Alia shares screen space with rumored boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan. Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma, who has just become a mother, revealed that her baby's burp cloth is her current favorite accessory. Anushka took to Instagram on Sunday to share a picture of herself where she stands in front of a mirror with her daughter Vamika's burp cloth on her shoulder. Current favorite accessory, burp cloth, the actress captioned the picture. Anushka Sharma gave birth to her daughter Vamika on January 11. The actress recently introduced her daughter in front of the world with an Instagram post. Anushka shared a photograph of herself along with her husband Virat Kohli, where she is holding the baby, and wrote, "We have lived together with love, presence and gratitude as a way of life, but this little one Vamika has taken it to a whole new level. Tears, laughter, worry, bliss, emotions that have been experienced in a span of minutes sometimes. Sleep is elusive, but our hearts are so full of love. Thanking you all for your wishes, prayers, and good energy." Several Bollywood celebrities graced celebrity designer Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla's party on Sunday in Mumbai. Stars including Nora Fatehi, Ritesh Deshmukh with wife Janelia Deshmukh, Suzanne Khan, Neil Nitin Mukesh with wife Rukmini Sahai, Mahit Kapoor, Bhavna Pandey, Goldie Behel with wife Sonali Bendre, Anaita Shroff Achania were present at the event. All the celebs looked their stylish best in their respective outfits. Actress Tanushree Datta says she is looking at her future projects as an extension of her career, not as her second innings in the entertainment industry.
एक एक्टर के जीवन में ना बहुत इनिंग्स होते हैं. हमारे तो हर फ्राइडे के बाद इनिंग्स होते हैं, हर फ्राइडे को इनिंग्स होते हैं, हर फ्राइडे के बाद इनिंग्स होते हैं. तो मैं उसको उस तरह से नहीं देख रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट माई फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स एज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ माय करियर। एंड एक एक्टर की लाइफ में जो उम्दा एक्टर्स होते हैं वो टाइम टू टाइम थोड़ा पीछे हटते हैं, आगे आते हैं, पीछे हटते हैं, आगे आते हैं। तो मेरी पर्सनालिटी भी वैसी है कि शायद मैं लाइफ लॉन्ग थोड़ा पीछे हटूँ, थोड़ा आगे आऊँ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करूँ मैं, क्योंकि मैं अपनी एक कंप्लीट लाइफ जीना चाहती हूँ।
Said Tanushree while interacting with the media at 5 years success celebration party of a PR company. Tanushree, who is known for her films like Aashik Banaya Aapne and Bhagam Bhag, made headlines when she opened up about being harassed by actor Nana Patekar over a decade ago during a 2008 shoot. Her case against Nana Patekar kick-started the Me Too movement in Bollywood.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.